Training. If today is your first time coming here, please subscribe. Yes, we are doing our last training for the year. When I mean last training for the year, and it's taking place on the 7th of December. On the 7th of December, a lot of people be begging us to just do one more training. So the topic, or however, what we're learning that very day is how to make intensive whitening. All right, a body lotion that where you can call it 7 days body lotion. You can hit your chest. This knowledge, the truth is, we did not come with this knowledge from heaven. All right, we know that God bless us, but we came here and we learned all this knowledge, and we are not going to heaven with this knowledge. We'll keep it here also for others. So that is the legacy we are up to. All right, so the training costs for 25,000 naira to learn that intensive whitening, deep whitening. All right, just one body lotion. Yes, that you can boast that I know how to do this. I know how to do this cream. All right, with understanding. Now, these are the way you will know that this product is really intensive. The cream that we're making that very day will be flawless. Apart from the fact that this cream is whitening cream, it will be a flawless, and it will also moisturize your skin. That is good cream. And now, apart from that, this cream will clear every spot from your skin. You will not have knuckles, no knuckles. All right, it will clear every spot from your skin. Yes, and that cream also, it will clear wrinkles from your skin, and that cream is anti-age, because when you're using it, you will be getting younger. That is a cream you can boast of. When you have a customer, you can tell the customer that I'm making a product for you. I'm making a product for you. And when you're charging them, you charge them based on the product. Not that you charge them and you do what is not, what's the money. All right? So you should do what's the money. So everything equal. The money, what's the product what's the money. So do something like that for them. You can title it 7 days whitening, but what we say is intensive deep whitening. All right? Yes, and this product, when you make it, there won't be knuckles, like as I said. There won't be white patches or redness, wrinkle, grieving, or sunburn or body burn. I enter sun. So no story of that. That is how you know a good product. All right? Because I have just said that a lot of people, they be crying, they be talking about this product that they make, and it's not working. All right, that is why we introduced that Blend Pro 9 that we sell for people. So now we all learning it together. It's just 25,000 naira. Do not miss it on the 7th too. Yes, do not miss it on the 7th. When I drop the recipe, any question, you are free to ask us question. You are free to ask us any question you want to ask. Now let me tell you more. How would you know? How would you know that this product is a good product? Now, you make a product, you don't even know the pH level. That is number one thing. People do product, they don't even know the pH level. People do product, they don't even know how the product will work, or if it will, it becomes a problem. You know from beginning if your product will work. All right. Then another thing I put down here again. All these additives that you are using, do you even know these additives? Do you even know if the additives they work, or how and what level of the additives should you put on each of the ml that you're making? So first of all, know how the additive works, what they work for. Know it well that this pigment does work for this, or water work for this, rose water work for this, or for those of us using powders work for this. For those of us using activator, it work like this. You should know. That is where the problem is coming from. You should know what each powder work for. You should know what, any additive you're using, serum, so you should know what they work for and know if they are working also. It is what it is. We said a lot that this training is massive. Do not miss it. This training is massive, and it's just 25,000 naira. So be the first person to register. The video has dropped now. Be the first person to register. We have about 50 to 100 person pile up ready to register. Now that the video have dropped, be the first person to register. Do not waste your time. Training. Bye bye.